Hello friends, in chapter 7 coordinate geometry we will see exercise 7.1 question 6 to 10 solutions. So your question 6 is given. Name the type of quadrilateral, means 4 points ABCD are given and through it we have to decide the types of quadrilateral. So to decide the types of quadrilateral, we know that 4 sides and diagonal we have to find out and through it we can decide. So let's first sum is given a equals to -1 to -1 -2, b is given 1 0, c is given -1 2 and d is given -3 0. So now we find out 4 sides. So first we find out AB, then AB equals to -1 -1 square plus -2 -0 square. So -1 -1, that is the -2 square plus -2 square. So -2 square -2 square, that is 4 plus 4 root 8 or 2 times 4, that is 2 root 2. Now BC we calculate. Then again it is 1 minus 1 square plus 0 minus 2 square. So it is 2 square plus minus 2 square, and so it is again 4 plus 4 root 2 into 4, so 2 root 2. If we calculate CD, so then it is -1 minus 3 square plus 2 minus 0 square. So minus minus plus, so 3 minus 1 2 square, and here also 2 square. So 4 plus 4 root 8, that is 2 times 4, and so 2 root 2. And AD we calculate. And AD also according to our distance formula, -3 minus 1 square plus 0 minus 2 square. So here you can see that -3 plus 1, that is a -2 square plus 2 square. So it is 4 plus 4, 2 into 4, 2 root 2. So 4 sides are equal, so it can be rhombus or square. So let's we find out diagonal AC and BD. So AC equals to -1 minus 1 square plus -2 minus 2 square. So this will be 0 square plus -4 square. So -4 square, and so it is 4. BD we calculate, then it is 1 minus 3 square plus 0 minus 0 square. So again 4 square, and 4 square equals to 4. So 4 sides are equal and 2 diagonals are equal. So we can say that ABCD are the vertices of square. Now in second question, for vertices are given A minus 3 5, B 3 1, C 0 3 and D minus 1 minus 4. Again we have to decide the types of quadrilateral. So again 4 sides and 2 diagonals we will find out. So AB with the distance formula we find out, then it is -3 square plus 5 minus 1 square. So -3 minus 3, that is -6 square plus 4 square, and so it is 36 plus 16, that is root 52. BC we calculate. So it is 3 minus 0 square plus 1 minus 3 square So 3 square plus minus 2 square, it is 9 plus 4 root 30. CD we calculate, then 0 minus minus 1 square plus 3 minus minus 4 square. So 1 square plus 7 square, that is 1 plus 49 root 50, and AD we calculate, then minus 1 minus minus 3 square plus minus 4 minus 5 square. So minus minus plus, so 3 minus 1, 2 square plus minus 9 square. So it is 4 plus 81 root 85. So 4 sides are not equal, and so it is just a quadrilateral. Now third question is given A for 5, B 7, 6, C for 3, D 1, 2. So we calculate AB. 7 minus 4 square plus 6 minus 5 square, that is 3 square plus 1 square, 9 plus 1 root 10. BC we calculate, then 4 minus 7 square plus 3 minus 6 square, so it is 3 square plus 3 square, 9 plus 9 root 80. Now CD we calculate, 1 minus 4 square plus 2 minus 3 square, so it is minus 3 square plus minus 1 square, which is 9 plus 1, so root 10. And AD we calculate, then it is 1 minus 4 square, 2 minus 5 square, so 3 square plus 3 square, so minus 3 square plus minus 3 square, 9 plus 9 root 80. So here BC and AD are equal, AB and CD are equal. That is means opposite sides are equal, so it can be a rectangle, and if it is not rectangle, it will be a parallelogram. So we know that in rectangle diagonals are equal, so let me calculate diagonals and whether check whether they are equal or not. So we calculate diagonal AC, then it is 4 minus 4 square plus 5 minus 3 square, so it is 0 square plus 2 square, that is root 4 is equal to 2. And BD we calculate, that is 7 minus 1 square plus 6 minus 2 square, 6 square plus 4 square, 36 plus 16 root 52. So here AB equals to CD, AD equals to BC. Opposite sides are equal, but AC not equals to BD. Diagonals are not equal. So ABCD are vertices of rectangle. Now we have the question 6. Find point on x-axis which is equidistance from 2 minus 5 and minus 2, 9. So suppose these 2 points we take as A and B. So A and B are equidistant from some point on x-axis. So point is on x-axis. So let require point is P x0. As we know, the point which is on x-axis is y coordinate is 0, and so P is equidistant from A and B. So we can write that P equals to PB, and so PA square equals to PB square and therefore x minus 2 square plus 0 minus 5 square equals to x minus 2 square plus 0 minus 9 square. So easily x minus 2 square plus 5 square 25 equals to x plus 2 square plus 9 square 81, and so x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 25 equals to x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 81. So it is x square minus 4x plus 29, and here x square plus 4x plus 85. So x square cancel. Now 4x will go this side, 85 will come this side. So 4x plus 4x, 8x equals to 85 minus 29. So 15 minus 9, 6, and 7 minus 2, that is 5. So x is equals to 56 divided 8. Sorry, minus 85 plus 29, so minus 56. So minus 56 to minus 7, and so required point is minus 7. Now we are given question 8. Find the value of y for which the distance between the points P2 minus 3 and Q10 y is 10. So now PQ distance is given 10. So PQ square equals to 100. Now PQ square, so we can take 10 minus 2 square plus y minus 3 square equals to 100. So 10 minus 2 square, 8 square plus y plus 3 whole square equals to 100. So y plus 3 whole square equals to 100 minus 8 square means 64 equals to 36, which is the square of plus or minus 6. And so y plus 3 equals to plus 6 or y plus 3 equals to minus 6. So y equals to 6 minus 3, then y equals to 3, and here y equals to minus 6 minus 3, then y equals to minus 9. And so the possible values of y are 3 and minus 9. Now question number 9, we have Q01 is equidistant from P5 minus 3 and R(x)6, then find the value of x as well as also find the QR and PR. So here Q01 is equidistant from P and R, so PQ equals to QR or RQ. So PQ square equals to QR square. So PQ we calculate, then 5 minus 0 square plus minus 3 minus 1 square equals to x minus 0 square plus 6 minus 1 square. So 5 square 25 plus minus 4 square 16 equals to x square plus 5 square 25. So 25 cancel. So x square equals to 16, that is means plus or minus 4 square. So x is equals to plus 4 or minus 4. Now we calculate QR distance. So if x is equals to 4, then QR equals to 4 minus 0 square plus 6 minus 1 square, that is 16 plus 25. QR square is equals to 16 plus 25, 31, and so QR equals to root 31, and x PR distance will be, so PR square equals to 5 minus 4 square plus minus 3 minus 6 square. So 1 square 1 plus minus 9 square, that is 1 plus 81, 82, and so PR equals to root 82. sorry, here it is 41 addition, and so root 41. We have the question 10. Find the relation between x and y such that the point xy is equidistant from 3, 6 and minus 3, 4. So let for pxy we take, a3, 6 we take, and b minus 3, 4 we take. So p is equidistant from a and b, so p equals to pb. So pa square equals to pb square, and so it is x minus 3 square plus y minus 6 square is equals to x minus minus 3 square plus y minus 4 square. So expanding these brackets we get x square minus 6x plus 9, y square minus 12y plus 36 is equals to x square. Now minus minus plus, so plus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 8y plus 16. So y square x square cancel, plus 9 are cancel. Now 6x will go that side, so 6x and minus 6x, so 6x plus 6x minus 8y plus 12y plus 16 minus 36 equals to 0. So 12x plus 4y minus 20 equals to 0. So we divide by 4, then 3x plus y minus 5 equals to 0.